Hi, I'm Matt with Irritrol. Today we're going to perform the initial setup of the KD2 residential irrigation controller. In this video, we assume that the controller is mounted and wired. For more information on mounting and wiring, see the KD2 installation video. After we confirm power to the controller, the first thing we need to do is set the time. From the 12 o'clock or home dial position, rotate the dial one click clockwise to the date and time icon. Use the plus and minus to adjust the hour. Use the arrow to advance to the next field. Use the plus and minus and the arrow to adjust the minutes, month, day, and year. Now that the date and timer is set, it's time to assign station runtime. Each valve wire connected to one of your numbered terminal output, minus the common wire, is a station. For more information on stations, refer to Irritrol's Take 5 segment, Irrigation Controller Video Glossary. From the home dial position, rotate the dial 2 clicks to station time. Press the ABC to select the desired program. Use the plus and minus to input a station runtime for station 1. Use the arrow to advance to the next station. Repeat this process to input station runtime for each additional station. Note, select dashes to remove any station from a program. Now that we have the station runtimes dialed in, we must set the program start time. Turn your dial to start time, which is 3 clicks from the home position. Press ABC to select the desired program you'd like to edit. Use the plus and minus to set the desired start time. Use the arrow to advance to the next start time. Select dashes to remove a start time from a program. And note that each program can have up to 3 start times. Now, we're going to set the days of the week for water. By default, all 7 days are active water days. To make adjustments, turn the dial to water day. Press ABC to select the program in which you'd like to edit. Press the plus or minus to turn off that water day. Press the arrow to advance to the next water day. Repeat this process for any remaining programs. Your KD2 has additional scheduling features. If you'd like to add odd, even, or interval-based scheduling, advance your dial to the appropriate location. Use the ABC to select the program in which you'd like to edit. Use the plus and minus and arrow to set and navigate through the settings. For more information on how to dial in your irrigation, visit irritrol.com.